Let me show you the secret trick to entering a discussion board because Canvas didn't make it clear. If you go into the modules link here, which is what I recommend as your go-to starting point, you get the whole course, everything we do laid out in outline format. And there is the discussion link for our current discussion, the meet and greet. You click on that and it gives you the instructions for the discussion. But you might think, okay, there's step 1, step 2, step 3, but where is the discussion board? This annoyed me when I first started using Canvas. I couldn't figure it out. The trick is you have to go into this box at the bottom labeled reply, and you have to, in there, type your thoughts. And then when you hit post reply, it will open up the whole discussion and you'll be able to interact with your peers.